Guys, you have reached Regina's Way, and I am up answering you all's questions. I have decided to call this segment, when I answer you all's questions from the comment section, your questions, my answers. All right. So one of the questions that I had gotten was, how do I take care of my skin? And there's a variety of ways that I take care of my skin, y'all, and it's nothing, crazy.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list.
Because y'all be asking me, what am I doing for my skin? I am not doing a lot, but I'm going to show you anyway. Now, y'all know this is water, but this is filtered water. I don't know, I no longer use the water that comes directly out the sink. This is the same water that I use to, wake up my hair, y'all. Okay? This is the same water I use to wake up my hair. And believe it or not, it's the same water I use to wash my face. So once we do that, because that's filtered water in there, this is my little scrubbing brush. Y'all, I got this from the Dollar Tree. I went to the store and I seen that the same one that they were selling at the Dollar Tree, they were selling at these big expensive stores. So I said, what? Now, this is the way I wash my face every day, y'all. And I'm going to tell you right now, I see the benefits of it. Throughout the video, I'm going to be telling you all the things that has changed for the better. But if this wasn't something that I seen that was working for me, I would still bring it to you all, but I would tell you, if it was a waste of time or if it's worth doing. Now, the reason I use filtered water is because when I was trying to grow my hair, that was one of the main things that made my hair start growing, because the water that come out of your pipes is not good for you to drink, to take a bath in, or to wash your hair. So if it's bad for all of that, when I started using filtered water on my skin started improving dramatically, you all. So that's why I wash my face with filtered water. And then I'm patting it dry here. Now, guys, I know y'all see the steam. Y'all should, because I'm steaming my face. Right? But I'm using something else to steam my face, y'all. And it works great. Disclaimer. I'm showing you what I'm using to steam my face. If y'all try this, be careful. I know my steamer, and I'm still careful with mine. I hope y'all can see that smoke. But man, I'm telling you, it works really well. What I am using to steam my face, y'all, is this. This is the Sunbeam Compact Handheld Steamer, okay? And I usually use this to like steam my clothes. That's why it's in my dressing room. But I also use it to steam my face. Some steamers spit, so you got to be careful on, you got to be careful on how close you have the steamer to your face and things of that nature. So basically, this steamer helps all the dead skin just start breaking up and coming off. So as you get older, you're going to need assistance in breaking up that skin and shedding that skin off your face. You are. And this little water container here is boiling in there, y'all. That is the perfect amount of steam that I need for my face. So we're going to steam this, and then we're going to keep this going. Now see, when I use the steamer, this is the perfect time, y'all. If y'all need to pluck your eyebrows, sometimes I pluck my eyebrows while my steamer is going. I just turned it back on. I pluck my eyebrows while my steamer is going, because that helps get the any hair that you may want to get off your face, your neck, your eyebrows. This is the perfect time to pluck. And it'll come off so easy. The hair, you see that steamer? Look at that steamer work, y'all. Y'all see that steamer work? So we're fighting wrinkles, we're opening up our pores, we're plucking. So really, we just doing everything good with this steamer for our face, y'all. Okay, so once my face is cleansed and I steam it, the next thing I do is this. I will get my toner. And I love putting it in this type of bottle because it spreads it evenly. So I protect my hair. I remember one time, y'all, my hair was turning colors because this facial toner was mixing with the sun, and my hair was turning blonde. Once the toner dries, then we're going to start with our serum. This is hyaluronic acid eye serum. It hydrates your eyes. And then I'm just showing y'all what I do. Y'all ain't got to do all this. Maybe you can just find one serum that's, you know, for your whole face. But y'all know I'm extra. And I'm putting it on this way because this is part of my massaging my face routine. But I'll make another video about that. So we have the eye serum on. The next thing you want to do is the face serum. And this is a retinol. Now, retinol is really good for the skin, you all. This is a retinol anti-aging face serum. And it's for radiant skin. Now, you all don't have to do everything that I'm doing. But the routine that I have made up for my face, y'all, it has been working. And there's other things that I can show you that you can do for your skin that I know for a fact that works. So when it comes down to scrubbing and exfoliating, that is very, very important because it helps the moisturizers that you go out and buy absorb in your skin better when all that dead skin is gone. So we have the face serum on. Now from here, y'all pretty much good. But I do one more thing. After your serums, put on a moisturizer. Okay, if it's nighttime, put on a nighttime moisturizer. If it's daytime, put on a daytime moisturizer. See, this is a hyaluronic, I can't even say it. This is a hyaluronic acid retinol toner, and it's for night. And it's anti-aging night cream. Because the daytime creams have sunblock in it, okay? The sun do a lot of damage, y'all, you know, to our skin. Y'all notice I keep going to the back of my neck. And I'm not doing it today, but usually when I'm putting on my, you know, facial creams and things, this is when I do my facial exercises as well. You know. But, like I said, y'all questions, my answers. And this is how I take care of my skin, y'all. Whatever residuals that's left over from me rubbing it in my face, I put it on my hands and rub it in my hands. And from that point, y'all ask me how I take care of my skin, and that's how I take care of my skin. All right. Then I end up doing my hair and all of that. All right, guys, well, that is it. You have reached Regina's Way. This segment is your questions, my answers. So anything that you want to know that I'm doing over here on this channel, then leave it in the comment section down below, and y'all already know that I am going to answer you back. Also, guys, I have another channel where we do nothing but hair, whether it's styling it, growing it, finding new ways to just do anything with our hair. That's on Regina TV, my other channel. So I would appreciate it if you would go over there, comment, like, subscribe, and share to both channels, and hype both channels, guys, when y'all look at the videos. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, take care of yourself as well as your hair, your body, your room, and anything else you're doing in life. And I'll see you in the next segment. Mwah. Thanks for coming by, spending this time.